So this morning I am installing new shock absorbers, YSS top line gas shock absorber on Martini. So we have some tools, more tools, and we'll see how this project goes today. Thank you for watching Classic Moto with Stu, and we'll be right back. Okay, job is completed. YSS shocks have been installed. I think they look fantastic. I really do. I hope they work as good as they look. But if it wasn't for that jack to lift up the back end after it squatted when I took off one of the shocks, I couldn't have done this job alone. But with the jack, it was simple. Can't wait to ride it. It looks great. So, thank you for watching, and to my legions, millions of fans in India on YouTube India, Alu Parata.